Okay, after a little bit of review, I looked in here in the quick start guide. They don't talk about connecting the two together. And so I think that I would need to, they don't talk about connecting the two Eurorack Go models together. And then here they do a lot of cool stuff about like patches and stuff like that, but they don't talk about actually attaching the two sides together. I'm just gonna lift up this side here, like this, because it looks pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna lift up this side. Ooh, I don't like that. And then I'm gonna take off these screws and attach this. So the foot's gonna go here, and this is gonna go like that. Like that. So, I'm gonna do that. I've got 1, 2, 3. Just like this. Like that. So perhaps I should use the longer screws. And that's why they sent the screws in this package. Should be 12 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep. So the thing is I do not want to force anything here. So what I will do is I will slowly sink that in and see if it works good. I have this on the lowest setting. There we go. Yep. Then I can do this other one. These both have that kind of noise happening when you pick it up or move it, which I'm not a big fan of, but I will not overly stress about right now. Okay, so these 3 smaller screws come out. Got 3 larger screws here. They're going to go in. So it looks like there is a little bit of consideration about where these two meet. In the center. So as you can see there, looks like there's going to be a little bit of a challenge here. There we go. So I just started to thread the two, and you have to kind of lift it a little bit to get the right angle. Now they all 3 seem to be in the right spot, so I'm going to go ahead and sink this down. So now I'm going to go ahead and lift this thing over and do the other side, but I don't want to like tweak it. So maybe I'll bring this thing back like this. then like this. Bring it up. And that noise is interesting. Okay, we've got 6 screws to remove now. They kind of separate, but it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would have been cool for them to mention all of this that I'm figuring out on my own, but it's also very likely that people that are buying this already have enough experience with Eurorack to where they would understand the simple things that I'm trying to figure out here. So I'm going to start out by doing this screw right here and then going all the way down here to this screw to get them in the right position for the rest of it. And I'm just kind of hand tightening them because I don't want to thread. Strip the threads, number one, because I am coming, trying to tighten this up on a pretty wobbly platform. And then I'll finish tightening them once I get all of them started. Go for these two to kind of set that and go right there correctly. And then the last one. You can kind of hear something rolling around in there, I think. Let's see if I can get a little picture of that or a video. Here's something. I'm assuming that has to do with the back plane, the electrical back plane or something. Maybe there's screws that are loose in the track that tighten up as you put a module in or something. If not, if it's something wrong, I'll go ahead and send this video to Behringer, because I did just unbox it. Okay, so I did not overly tighten those at all, just enough to where the machine stopped on the lowest setting. I have it on the 1. So I'm going to go ahead and put it up here. Save these screws. Okay. All of these oscillator, the modules all have different settings for them, or different inserts to help describe how to use them. And here we go. Get this bad boy onto here. Kind of set this over here where you can see me lift it. So I think I can grab it right here, like that. Okay. Set it down here. And that's exactly upside down, like this. That's the way it should go. Okay. And here's how it looks from the front. Size comparison, I'll show it next to my Model 12. Keyboard and mouse. The screen is a 49-inch. That's a 49-inch LG. It takes up this whole desk. And then this is the MPC keys 61 underneath it. So you can see this is a 61 key standard size keyboard, and it takes up, 3/4 of it. It looks pretty nice here, so the last little bit is to power it up, and I can just plug in my power keys here. Here's one. Here's another. I got this desk from the local business or a local business that went out of business, office, and they were just selling like almost like an estate sale, all of their equipment there. And I was like, man, actually my wife was like, hey, that office desk is actually, it's a conference room office desk. It's pretty nice. So I went ahead and made an offer. And, this guy can go over there too. So the power cord thing is going to be a little complicated because I don't know the way both of those look, but here we go. Here's the initial power up. So, oh, it looks like it's already powered on. Maybe I didn't realize. Yep, it was already powered on. So just turn that off, this one off, and go back to on, and we are good. I do not know how to tell what is going on here except for getting sound out of it, so I gotta figure out how to get sound out of this. I mean, I assume I'm going to go from an output somewhere in here and take it into a couple of the open ports on here. So that's it.